All looks really good so far. We'll take a look at it a little closer once we get it unpacked. We got to check out the shock. All right, what's up, everyone? Hope everybody's having a good year. Good new year. Mine's starting off pretty well. I got my back half kit from Checkered Racing, which looks really cool. I did do an upgrade where I got the double adjustable shocks from Falcon Performance, so we'll take a look at those in a second, and we'll take a look at some of the welds on it. I asked for a 28-inch wide cross member setup, and that's what they did. I decided it'd be much easier for me, being a DIY guy, to go ahead and get this welded in their jig, and that way I can just assemble it. And I went with Checkered Racing for two reasons. I kind of like the way they did the drive shaft loop, and it was also the cheapest I could find with shipping with double adjustable shocks. A lot of the other kits, if you bought them like this from a few other companies, they were up in right around $2,000 by the time you got double adjustable shocks and everything, and I really don't want to spend that much money. So found this kit, and looks like it's a pretty solid kit, and I got the double adjustable shocks I wanted, and it shipped to my door was a little less than $1,700. So we'll take a look. So here's a good look at the welds on the Checkered Racing Universal back half kit, which you can tell they do a good job there. Some pretty welds. Unfortunately, it won't look that good when I weld it into the car, but as long as it holds. So it came with the 4-link brackets welded in, the drive shaft loop. You can see it's been up and welded in nice. And then it's got the main cross member welded in real good. Take a look at that. And then at the back it's got a temporary one, which once I cut the frame rails, because you'll cut the back frame rails depending on your car, and you'll weld that in permanent. So yeah, so far pretty happy. And here's a look at the Viking. Super nice stuff. I've never had good adjustable shocks, so it'll be fun. These are double adjustable, so each setting, coil and rebound, has 19 settings, so lots of tuning to be had. And they're coilovers, so very happy. So cool. All right, so we got the back half kit back here by the car, so we can kind of see where it's going to go. Really hope I'm not over my head here, so hopefully it'll all work out. I've got one page of instructions on what I need to measure and line up. If anybody else has done this, maybe you can comment down below on what measurements are really important. That way I can figure out and make sure I got the right stuff going on before I weld stuff up. But we're going to get this stored away for the next few weeks while I get the floor cut out, and we'll update you after that.